Hi everyone, welcome back to Makeup Ki Duniya, the real story behind the glam. Today episode is one that can truly change the way you see yourself, your journey and this entire industry. Because today we are talking about something deeper than brushes, glam and reels. So we are talking about the mindset behind it all. It's about how positive thinking can become your biggest strength and how negative loop can silently destroy your spark before you even realize it. So I have lived both sides of it. And trust me, your thinking can either make your career grow and blow or fade it away completely. So in the beginning, when positive feels easy, when I entered this industry, I had no idea what it really was. I didn't know makeup techniques, I didn't know the trends, but I had creativity and a heart that wanted to express. In the beginning, everything looked beautiful. Opportunity comes, shoots happened, and people appreciated the work. And it felt like, yes, this is it. But then slowly thinking started shifting. Project got delayed, client disappeared, and my confidence started shaking. There's where the real test began, when positivity isn't easy anymore. At that time, I didn't realize that my own thoughts were pulling me down. The more I feed my mind with doubt, maybe I'm not good enough, maybe I wouldn't get work again, the more things started getting worse. I felt like I was stuck in the dark loop, a loop of anxiety, sleepless nights, and endless overthinking. And the truth is, most artists go through this phase, and the light of the industry looks shiny, but behind that glow there is a lot of mental strength, mental struggles. One day I just sat with myself and thought, if I think negative this deeply, why can't I think positive with the same energy? That was the moment I realized your thoughts are the makeup of your life. They can either beautify it or completely mess it up. The trap of comparison and competition. Let's be the honest. In this industry, comparison is everywhere. You open Instagram and there's always someone doing better, more followers, bigger brands, better clients. Even if you try not to, that small voice inside whisper, why not me? I have been there too. Even after telling myself don't compare, I didn't still scroll and my energy would drop. But one thing I learned is comparison is not a competition, it's a distraction. The moment you start comparing, you stop creating. So whenever I feel that pressure, I would do one small action that leads me back to growth. Maybe reading something inspiring, learning a new technique, or creating a simple look just for myself. Those simple steps pulled me out of that loop, and over time comparison lost its power over me because I realized no one can do what you do in the way you do it. Your timing, your journey, your path, it's all unique. Once you understand that, competition becomes collaboration and jealousy turns into motivation. Handling rejection and underestimation. Now let's talk about one of the hardest part, rejection. When a client or a brand underestimate your work, when you put your heart into a project and still hear this isn't good enough, it's hurt. In the beginning I used to take it personally. I doubt myself, overthink for hours. Maybe I'm not talented enough, but later I learned something powerful. You can't control how others see your value, but you can control how deeply you believe in it. So now, whenever criticisms comes, I check, did I give my best? If yes, then I let it go. Because sometimes it's not about your work being wrong, it's about that the other person's vision is different. And if the client insist on something I know won't look right, I politely explain, I can try your vision, but here's the why mine might work better. This calm confidence, it changes the whole energies of the conversation. It's not about arguing, it's about educating. In this industry, you need to be a calm but firm. Respect everyone, but never let anyone make you forget your worth. So, realizing that energy changed everything. There comes the moment when I finally understood thinking changed everything. One day a big shoot I supposed to do got cancelled last minute. I get angry, disappointed and almost hopeless. But instead of reacting, I said to myself, maybe something better in on its way. 2 days later, I got a call from another project, a bigger brand, better pay and the kind of exposure and I had only dreamed of. That when it hit me. When your vibration is positive, life rearranges itself to match that energy. Positive thinking isn't fake smiling, it's faith. Faith that what happened now is shaping something greater. And when you live with that vibration, people can feel it. Clients feel it, your team feels it, and opportunities start feeling it too. So if you are beginners watching this and you feel like things are slow, you are doubting yourself and or thinking, maybe this isn't for me, listen to me carefully. You are not failing. You are becoming. This industry tests everyone, not just for your skills but your patience, your energy and your mindset. The question is, are you feeding your fears or your faith? Don't wait for opportunities, create them. Make videos, practice looks, learn something new every day. Even if no one watching, the universe is. Because one day all those small consistent efforts will come together and let your success story. Your power lies inside you. It's not in your product, not in your followers, but in your perspective. Positive energy is your biggest highlighter. Its glow from within that makes everything you touch shines brighter. So remember this, the only real makeup that lasts forever is the one you apply to your mindset. Keep growing, keep believing, and keep painting your life with positivity. If this message connected with you, make sure to subscribe to the channel because this space is made for real stories. And I will leave you with the final thought. Your thoughts create your faith, and your future. So choose to think beautifully because your mind is the first canvas you will ever touch. Thank you so much.